What do you guys think about doing an ice bath in 40, what is this? Looks like it's probably about, I don't know, 48 degree weather. 48 degrees. First thing in the morning, you just crush it, right? Do what the 99% of people are not willing to do to become the number one. Do what the other people do. Everybody wants to be comfortable. So what we do is we get in an ice bath every day, sub 50 degrees, and sit here for 3 to 5 minutes. And when you get out, there's no better feeling in the world. The endorphins that you get, the cold shock proteins that come out of your liver, basically the fat loss that you get from, the mental clarity you get from it. It's just a game changer. Highly recommend getting something where you can do this. We just put it right in our bathtub. Basically, this is like a little hot tub, right? And then we just fill those ice baths right there. Fill those up, put them into a little freezer. Every day they're frozen, come back in, dump them in here. Check your degrees, make sure it's sub 50, and just crush it. I challenge you guys to do what the 99% of people are not willing to do to become the number one. Be a number one. Be a 1%er and conquer the world. Let's roll.